Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show.
Hello everybody, I wanted to make this video today to discuss something that I see happening today. I'm not getting political here, but I want to use something political as an example. We live at a time today where because of Donald Trump, more people are interested in politics than ever before in history. You got so many people that are encouraged, the supporters of Donald Trump, to get involved in politics and really outspoken for a man or a president or a politician that anyone before in history, the public for him. But the reason why I wanted to bring that up is because we're also at a time where, from a health standpoint, more people are involved to one degree or another in health than ever before in the history of man because of COVID and the attention that it's bringing. So it's created this division. You got politically a division, but from a health standpoint, you got a division. Should we take vaccines and should we listen to the doctors and do whatever they say? Or should we change what we're doing and do it a different way and go alternatively? Or is there a place in between to go? So I think regardless of what side you take in these issues, you have to admit or acknowledge that now more than ever, more people are interested in health than ever before. So many people are interested in and concerned for their health. Now, for years, people have been eating fast food and continue to do so. They've been doing unhealthy practices in their daily lifestyle and continue to do so. But nothing has woken them up faster to, hey, something is serious that can kill us pretty quickly, where people are interested in contacting me or just trying to figure out ways they could do to stay healthy or things they can do to change their health. And I think that's ultimately a good thing that more attention is coming out to this. There's nothing new under the sun. In this very spot, I was predicting years ago that exactly what's happening with the vaccine issue and everything else was going to happen and continues to happen. I've had some friends close to me suffer from COVID and they've pulled through. And I know people that haven't pulled through. Now is a time more important than ever before to build our immune systems, folks. If you don't have it, don't think you're one of those lucky ones that it escaped. Just like I say, if you don't have cancer or diabetes or something else, don't think you're one of those lucky ones. Consider this a time to wake up and get it right and figure out, hey, I got to do something before I get something, not after I get something. And the dumbest thing somebody ever said to me said, oh, you were sick, so you had to change your diet. I'll change my diet when I'm sick. Don't wait, folks. Don't wait. Change it now. Replace your microwave oven with a juicer and use the juicer. Get rid of your microwave oven. Use a juicer. Do some juice every day. So that's one of the things I recommend. Another thing is 75% of the plate that you're eating should be raw, ripe, fresh, organic, vegan food. So fruits and vegetables, 75%, whether that's a big salad on your plate or just some fruit on your plate. Before you eat any cooked, processed food at all, before you eat anything like that, make sure you're eating that raw food and get that in your body. In terms of supplements, get your blood work checked. Check your blood work yearly. Make sure you're not suffering from any deficiencies. If you are, either take some vitamins or get those foods that have more of those things in them. One thing I'd highly recommend is the astaxanthin. It's thousands times stronger than vitamin C, and it's such an anti-inflammatory. It's wonderful. There's another test called the C-reactive protein test that tells you if there's inflammation in your body. So the blood test is a great warning sign to tell you things are wrong before you actually feel the pain of these things. So monitor your blood work. Get the nutrients you need. And if there's inflammation in your body, do some things like taking astaxanthin and other practices to reducing stress and reducing the inflammation in your bodies. So this is my warning to you, is don't wait until you feel sick. Take control of your health now. Build up your immune system now, not based on, well, everyone else is sick, so it's time for me to go to the doctor. No. You want to be the strongest as you could possibly be. So when a crisis does appear, your body is completely prepared for it. So start eating better, eat more fruits and vegetables, raw, ripe, fresh, and organic in your diet. Make sure 75% of your diet is raw, ripe, fresh, and organic. and just make the better choice every time. When you're eating fruits and vegetables, choose organic versus non-organic. When you're eating, even if you decide to eat animals or things like that, get the free-range kind instead of the drugged-up chemical kind that you find in the grocery stores. Whatever you decide to do in your own decisions, make the best choice within those things. And by all means, one of the greatest things you can do for your health from a mental standpoint is stop watching the news and the media and all this junk that's just trained to drama and just through a television, just completely break us down and make us get depressed and upset, worry, and fear. There should be no worry and fear in the health message. It should be all about joy and freedom and peace and security. All right, so I hope you're taking this warning seriously, folks, and I hope you're taking the steps needed to secure yourself and your health. Have a blessed day, everybody. If you want to get that astaxanthin, I'll put the link below the video. Have a great day and a great world life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.